Alrighty, everybody, we're now going to finish up assignment 14.4 by finding the probability of our independent and dependent events. So in 16 and 17, they're saying find the probability of drawing the given cards from a standard 52 card deck. First, we're going to do it with replacement, that'll be independent, and then we're going to do it without replacement, that'll be dependent. And then we want to give our answers as decimals rounded to 4 places. All right, so let's find the probability of a heart and then a diamond. So let's do it with replacement first. So if I have a deck of 52 cards, what is the probability I get a heart? Well, the probability I get a heart is 1 out of 4. There is 4 suits, clubs, spades, hearts, diamonds, and one of them is the one we want. And so we're going to draw that card. We're going to look and we're going to go, yay, I got a heart. And then I put it back. And then I want a diamond. Again, the probability of a diamond is 1/4, which gives me a total probability of 1/16. Well, our instructions are to round that to 4 decimal places, which would give me 0.0625. Then let's do it without replacement. Okay, so this one's going to be, for lack of a better word, a little trickier. Alrighty, so because we are doing without replacement, these events are now independent. So the probability of the first event, the heart, does not change. But the probability of a diamond does change, because now there are 13 diamonds, but one of the hearts is gone. So there's only 51 cards left. It didn't have to be the 10 of hearts. I just got rid of one of the hearts. Okay, so the hearts didn't change because the heart is already in my hand. But the diamond did change because now there's 13 diamonds because I haven't pulled the diamond yet, but there's only 51 cards. And so when I put that into my calculator, I'm going to get a probability of 0.0637. Boom, rounded to 4 places, just like the question wanted. Alrighty, so you can see they're different because we have with replacement and without replacement, independent, dependent. Okay, so you do number 17, and I wanted to talk about 18. If Vanessa takes the 7-question true-false test and guesses on every question, what is the likelihood she gets all 7 correct? Round your answer to 4 decimal places. Alrighty. So what you need to look at every event. So the first question, she is going to answer true-false. What is the probability she gets that one correct? Well, that's only going to be 1/2. What's the probability she gets the second one correct? Well, the probability she gets the second one correct is dependent of the first one. So again, that is 1/2. What's the probability she gets the third one right? Again, independent of either of the two. These are all independent guesses. So we're going to do that 7 times. So I am going to leave the math to you. And then write your answer as a decimal rounded to 4 decimal places per your instruction. Because every guess is independent of every other guess. So it's going to be half times half times half times half 7 times. On this one, I am only going to start helping you set it up. The first thing you are going to want to do, so the following table shows the number of voters in thousands who were expected to vote for Bill Clinton and Bob Dole in the 1996 presidential election. Round your answer to 3 decimal places. So the first thing we want to do, since we're finding these probabilities, is we're going to find the totals of both the columns and the rows. All right, so we're going to find the columns. So I'm going to add up the number of people who voted for Bill Clinton. The number of people that voted for Bill Clinton is 47,403. Then I add up the number of people who voted for Bob Dole, 39,199, for a total voter of 86,000. 602. Now, of course, this is in thousands, so I multiply every answer by 1,000. And then we want to add up our columns as well. So this is going to be 33,470. Then I'll let you do those two and answer questions 19 and 20. You've got this. Make sure you round your answers to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places when you put them into Student View. All right, so go ahead and complete assignment 14.4. Put those answers into Student View and check out what you get.